Quiet on the set.
Today is Friday, September 21st, and the time is 9:21. My name is Abby.
Happy Friday, students and staff. My name is Calvin. Time for the pledge.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Katie. Please stand for the pledge. The pledges for this week are Miss I's fifth graders. Now time for the code of conduct. Please remain standing. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Iris. Lunch for today is orange chicken and rice, chopped ham and cheese, salad box with scoops, yogurt box lunch.
Students' birthdays for today: Samuel Smellizer and Abigail Williams. Saturday, September 2nd, Hope Cassidy. Sunday, September 23rd, Francis Gomez. Birthday students may go to the office and pick up their birthday card. Hope everyone has a great day.
Perfect attendance for yesterday was Miss Kelta AM and PM, Miss Dermick AM, Miss Everest, Miss Folk, Miss Richard, Mr. Young, Miss Hess, Miss Johnson, Miss Garcia, Miss Maloof, Miss Morgan, Miss Beatty, Miss Kirshner, and Miss Wyatt, Miss Wilkerson, and Miss Conway. Congratulations to every kindergarten. Every kindergarten student was here yesterday. Way to go. Come to school every day to learn color team points.
Did you give a guess to the trivia question? Here is Monique, the winner of the trivia question.
Good morning, Elmwood. My name is Katie. The answer to this week's Trivia Tuesday is autumn or fall. The winner this week is Paul from Miss Beatty's class. Come on to the lab and get your prize. Congratulations. Remember to listen for next week's Trivia Tuesday question and submit your answer in the large envelope in your classroom. Good luck, students. Back to the anchors.
Nice job, Monique, and congratulations, Paul. Nice job, Monique, and congratulations, Paul.
This concludes the morning's announcement. Students and staff have a great learning day. Will you be remarkable learning
That's
today?
all, folks.